You can get up to $50,000 in business capital in less than 2 minutes. Hey, my money-making friend, I am so grateful to have you here with me today, where I share tips on starting a business and how to overall do better with money. And so today I'm going to share my experience of getting my first business credit card. I'm going to walk you through a lot today. We're going to talk about the requirements to get a capital on tap business credit card, the application, and then lastly, I'm going to touch on some really nice perks that make this business credit card worth your time. So if you are here, you are looking for more money for your business, and being able to get $5,000, $10,000 can make the difference. And so I've been where you are before, especially if you are just getting started on your business credit journey. And so I'm here to tell you that there is a business credit card out there for you, and I think it could be this one. And let's speak into existence that you are going to get accepted. This will ease you up from having to rely on loans from banks or from the government. Now you can access the business credit whenever you need it. Before we jump into the requirements, I need you to know that the Capital on Tap credit card is issued by Web Bank. So if you are ready to apply for multiple business credit cards, you need to make sure credit card that you want most, you apply to first, because your second application for a Web Bank business credit card could get rejected because Web Bank wants to limit their risk. A good example of this is the PayPal business credit card is also issued by Web Bank. You have a really good chance of getting this business credit card, but I do want to touch on the requirements so that you can have as much information as possible. And so the first thing that you need to know is that they will run a soft pull on your personal Experian credit score, and they will report your on-time payments to Experian Business. And so typically they're looking for entrepreneurs that have over a 680 credit score. Secondly, you are required to have been in operation for at least 6 months under a business entity. And so if you don't have an LLC or a corporation, unfortunately, this business credit card is not for you. But you can go legit and form your business by going to the link above. Third, you need to have an EIN, which stands for an employer identification number. If you do not have an EIN, I've included a link in the description below that'll explain how to set one up for free. For the fourth requirement, they may ask for 3 to 6 months of bank statements. So I don't want to see you applying for a business credit card before you have a business bank account set up. And Relay is a great option for LLCs. And so you need to provide bank statements to show that your business is making some money so that you can get this business credit card. If you have any questions whatsoever about business formation or starting a business, I've created a storefront of Notion templates and ebooks, which will be linked in the description below. And so now that we got the requirements out the way, and I know your business qualifies or will qualify, let's go into how easy this application is.
First part of the application is going to ask you whether you are a corporation or an LLC. And then further, it's going to ask for details like what is your business legal name, and then what is your doing business as or your DBA. And so my personal DBA is DarcysBusiness. And further along, it's going to ask for your EIN. In addition, it's going to ask for your years in business as well as your monthly revenue. And so you're going to overall give information about your business, and then you're going to talk about some personal details. One additional thing that I do want to call out is that it's going to ask you for your business address. If you are still using your home address, then you have to check out virtual business addresses. This allows you to protect your home address and not have it on your official business paperwork. And so I'm going to include those details and more in the description. And so overall, there you have the application to get your capital on Tap business credit card. And you can do that in under 2 minutes. So after you submit the application, you should hear back from Capital on Tap within 1 to 2 business days. And what I like about this company is that I can call them 24/7. When I call the number you see below, I get a real live person, and oftentimes it's a customer representative that lives in the UK, and I get greeted by a very friendly British accent. And so what's really great about the Capital on Tap credit card is that there is no annual fee. You get 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And so you can redeem this cash back in 2 ways: to pay off your bill, or you can buy gift cards with it. And one of my all-time favorite perks is that you have the option of giving virtual business credit cards to your employees or to other people on your team. So if I don't want an employee to have access to my full credit line, I can give them a small credit line, like maybe $200 or $300, in order for them to make purchases for the business and also get cash back. And I use that benefit quite often for the independent contractors I have working for my business. Another perk is that Capital on Tap has a seamless mobile integration. You can easily access your credit card profile from anywhere. And I know you're probably wondering, Darcy, with all of these perks, what are the reviews like? Well, I'm here to let you know that a lot of people are extremely happy. Capital on Tap has a 4.9 out of 5-star review on Trustpilot with over 10,000 reviews. So hands down, people want this business credit card. Wait one moment, I got so excited. Forgot to tell you that you can get a $200 cash bonus if you spend $15,000 in your business over the next 3 months. So there you have it. That is my experience with Capital on Tap. I'm happy to know that we're building business credit together. Peace, stay building.